Racing just is started. We have Alamid first to show quickness that is started. Invincible is on the outside. Okoboy, Wind Turbulence comes next. Street Bump, Gypsy Gray, No Guts, No Glory. Bohemian Day, while Owaki is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Alamid, my length and a half. Wind Turbulence is right behind in second. A length further back in third comes Okoboy. Invincible comes next. Street Bump, No Guts, No Glory. Moving up, Gypsy Gray, Owaki second last, while Bohemian Day now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Alamid. Cowboy now moving up on the outside. Down on the inside, third is Wind Turbulence. Next on line now is Street Bump. And on the outside, Invincible, Gypsy Gray comes next. No Guts, No Glory, Bohemian Day. While Owaki is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Alamid by about 3 lengths. And in second is Okoboy. Wind Turbulence remains in third. Gypsy Gray is down in fourth. And as they swing for home, we have Alamid, this time by about 8 lengths. Okoboy in second, Wind Turbulence, Gypsy Gray, last 100 meters. It's all Alamid, followed by Okoboy in second, Wind Turbulence, Gypsy Gray, and finally, Alamid. Second, close between Okoboy, Gypsy Gray, Wind Turbulence. Then comes Bohemian Day, and No Guts, No Glory for your Super 6.
Mukhang may close.